So let's talk about sales and marketing then for on a 7-figure profit flipping and wholesaling business. What type of marketing do you guys do to make $1 million a year?
So the biggest one that's been changing now is text messages. That was the game changer, man. Text message. Oh my gosh. I think we closed 71 deals in 2022 off texting. It was like the highest one by like 5 or 6 times.
So how are you saying on the text?
Hey, do you want to sell your house?
Damn.
Yeah, basically that's it. I mean, obviously we have a lot of different things that we say in sales, but like those are just the initials, you know. Hey, saw your house down the street, or hey, we bought your neighbors. Hey, you know what I mean? Like whatever. Yeah. The first text doesn't really matter. The follow up is really where it's at. But those text messages were a game changer. So that was the number one. Number 2 was direct mail. Number 3 was Carrot, and then it's hard to tell what was direct mail and Carrot leads. So basically, it's like online website.
PPC.
Not exactly PPC because we weren't actually doing pay-per-click at that time, but it was more like
SEO?
Okay. Yeah, in a way SEO, but basically on our letters we put our website, right? And so it says, "Oh, hey, go here if you want to check us out." So then they go under our Carrot website, they fill it out, and they say, "Oh, hey, I do want to sell my house." Yeah. Same thing with TV ads. We have our same thing over there. So it's hard to tell if the Carrot website was from direct mail or is from TV ads or just from people knowing our name and then typing it in. But anyway, those 3, TV ads, direct mail, and our Carrot website were the next top 3. And those, we got about 15 deals each in those ones. So those were our top marketing channels.
In 2023?
And that was 22, but yeah, 23. No, I'm sorry, that was 23.
Okay.
Yep.